Chef Ricardo cooking show and salad bar and juice bar channel. Anyway, this is the salad bar channel and today I want to make you some leftover salad rice. First of all, I want to say to you, you need a gloves because of what we're going to do, alright? If I say to you, this is some rice I have left over and all I'm going to do is to make a rice salad, alright? And I'm going to show you. So you have some rice left in your, I don't know where you have it, you know, in your fridge or pan. You cook too much rice today and a little bit left in the pot. Don't throw it in the bin. Do something with it. So first of all, we're going to have a little bit of dry chili inside of the rice, alright? The chili is going to bring in a lovely flavor to the rice. Second thing, crack some pepper for color. Alright? Second thing, let's get a piece of a red pepper. And red pepper is definitely going to give it a lovely color. And you can make yourself some rice and bring it to work and share it to co-workers. Alright guys? Then I'm going to give you some very important secret what you can do also. Cut up some spring onion. Very spring onion finely. And let's get a nice lovely piece of a red onion. That's a slice, not too much because you don't want to overpower it with the red onion, alright? And once you cut it up finely, put straight in it and that's gonna give it a lovely color. We're gonna put a little bit of sweet chili sauce on it, alright? Just a tiny little bit of sweet chili sauce. You don't need too much. Little bit of lemon juice. Not too much neither. We're gonna put a little bit of the olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil you like to use. That's a tiny little bit. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to overpower it. So what you're going to do now is to be honest, you can add a lot more stuff to it, but I'm just adding a few little things to it to say you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple salad rice, alright? Just use your hand and massage the rice. So basically, you can bring this to work and you know, you can buy yourself a piece of a chicken or something somewhere and just put this in it, you know what I mean, have some rice salad. So you're going to give it a lovely color. It's going to come out lovely and nice. Alright guys, and it's so easy. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have things at home and we take it and chop it in the bin. We don't need to do that. So this is just a sweet chili rice salad. Alright guys, look at that. So easy, lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel, and this is the way it's looking, so lovely and nice. So as you can see, you don't need to waste things at home. Use it and do stuff at home. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming, and definitely 100% our YouTube channel will be getting better and better as we go day by day. We love you all. This is Chef Ricardo. Don't forget Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and on Google+. Chef Ricardo, all the way on the social network. We love you. See you next time. Nice and lovely. This is some way how most Jamaican make their salad. Little bit of mixed leaf, and then now they get sliced tomato. This is I will never forget these back in Jamaica. Alright, show you something. Because I'm a Jamaican, you know. Alright, so this is how we normally do it. This is some fresh salad at home. Alright, and I'll never forget this. Never forget these things in Jamaica, guys. Put a salad like that. And all these nice lovely tomato. These are the nice lovely beefy sliced tomato. You just slice them up like this. If you put on the burger, or if you're having a roast dinner or something, whatever you have, you know what I mean, nice to do some nice lovely salad like this. Put it on the side. Let's see the avocado. Or the avocado look. Alright, if the avocado is good. Well, I want to use these. These are spoiled, ain't it? Look at that. Doesn't good. You go to the shop and you buy these things, you have to just, you know what I mean, you think they're good. When you come home, it's something different. Look. Not bad, but, you know what I mean, it could be worse. See? Not good. I'm not gonna even use this. Spoiled. But as I say, this is some easy salad that most Jamaican do when they're making like a Sunday dinner, like a Sunday evening roast dinner, and then we'd put a little bit of, anyone who remember who used to live in Jamaica, I remember these things, please leave a comments below. Yeah, we'd put a little bit of thing like this, then we'd put it on the table. Alright, put a little garnish.